In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account and start using the PiAPI service. We'll go step by step to ensure you can smoothly navigate the process and begin using PiAPI services effectively. First things first, make your way over to piapi.ai. You'll be greeted by the homepage where you'll find an option to sign up for an account. For those who prefer convenience and ease, you have the option to use your GitHub account for a quick and secure registration process. This means fewer passwords to remember and a more streamlined approach to setting up your new PiAPI account. Once you've completed the registration and logged in, you'll have access to your very own PiAPI workspace. The workspace is your main hub and plays a crucial role in managing your interactions with the API services. It's designed to be intuitive so you can find everything you need without a hassle. Now, within your workspace, you'll need to generate an API key to unlock the potential of PiAPI. To do this, head over to the API Keys section. This area is essential because it allows you to create and manage the keys necessary for connecting to PiAPI's services. When you're there, look for the option to create a new key by clicking on Create Key. Generating a new key is simple and ensures you have a unique identifier for your API calls. If you happen to already possess an existing key, there's also an option to bind this existing key within the system. This flexibility gives you control over how you manage your API credentials. The next step requires a bit of configuration. You will need to set the appropriate base URL for the API you plan to use. This base URL is imperative for every API request you initiate, serving as the foundation for planning out your data transactions. Consider it as the API's address that guides where your requests should be sent. With your API key in hand and your base URL all set up, you're ready to dive into the world of PiAPI. At this point, you can start making API calls and exploring the expansive capabilities PiAPI offers. Whether you're looking to access specific services, retrieve data, or interact with various features, everything you need is now at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get started with PiAPI. Feel free to explore and experiment with the services available. If you have any questions or run into any difficulties, remember that support is just a click away. Happy experimenting, and enjoy the endless possibilities with your new PiAPI account.